Sooner standards incorporating existing code with attribution. A complete grade 7 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 7.AP.PD.02. Students learn to incorporate existing code, media, and libraries into original programs of increasing complexity and give attribution. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual comparison chart of original versus incorporated work, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric, plus a 10-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, rope and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 Dalton's Ease of No Prep HQIM aligned instruction across 35 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.